Can you solve this question? The question is about subsidiary alliance introduced by Lord Wellesley. I'll give you some time, pause the video. Okay, so you all know Lord Wellesley came up with cunning plan of non-intervention and somehow rule all the states. So what was in the plan? There are 4 options. We will go one by one. First says the contracting party had to disband its military. Yes, obviously. The military has to be disbanded to control because British will supply the troops. So first is correct. Second says the British would control its foreign policy and relations with neighboring rulers. Yes, there is going to be a resident who is going to be living in the court and who will monitor everything which is going on inside that contracting party. So second is also correct. The third says the British would save it from external challenges but not from internal challenges. This is incorrect because British promised that we will supply troops, the residents will be there, and it will protect from all kinds of threats. So third will be incorrect. The fourth one, they would maintain diplomatic relations with other European parties but not military alliances. This is incorrect because this was also banned. They had to have no relations with any European power except British. So this is also incorrect. So you guessed it right. The correct answer is only 2. Those who have marked B, you are right. Congratulations. For more such questions and discussions, please follow our channel. Thank you.